Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We buy, sell, and trade new and used machinery. Our certified pre-owned machinery is located in-house, and we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. For an up-to-date list of machinery for sale, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. Remember to check back often as our inventory changes daily, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And additionally, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. Also check out our website for hundreds of new machines and request a highly competitive quote. We are going to do a walkthrough of a J.A. Fay and Egan 950 Lightning bandsaw. This is a clean Fay and Egan Lightning. It has been in the same shop for around 50 years. A couple of things that make this a very special saw. One being its 10 horsepower main motor with variable speed. This option gives the user a lot of flexibility. Secondly, this saw has a resaw feeder. While an import, and while not having a perfect feed wheel, it really adds to the functionality of this saw. Third, well, it's a Lightning 950, so you get the features of a 950. 36-inch wheels, a foot brake, 29 by 36-inch tilting table, and Carter guides. You also have 22 inches of vertical clearance. The tires are in good condition, and we mean just in good condition, not under or over, just good. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.